Hello, today I'm in Honda Civic VIII. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can increase and decrease radio volume, change radio station, and change radio source. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable cruise control, manage it, and then thanks to this panel we can navigate through speedometer display. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.